Hello! Welcome to Miki's Kitchen. Today is the 359th day. May 5th is Kodomo-no-hi or Children's Day. This day is to celebrate children's, especially boys' growth and pray for their happiness, while Girls' Day is March 3rd. On Children's Day, lots of families fly carp streamers called Koinobori. Carp are known as a symbol of strength, so parents display koinobori, hoping that their children will grow up healthy and strong. Today, I'm gonna make Koinobori-shaped inarizushi or sushi-pockets. They are so cute. Well, let's get started cooking. I've already made sumeshi or vinegared rice. If you want to know how to make it, watch my 8th YouTube video. So first, cut aburaage or deep fried tofu in half. Next, place water in a pot and add sugar, sake, mirin, and soy sauce. Then heat it on medium heat until boils. When it comes to boil, add aburaage in it. Then turn down the heat to medium-low and cover the pot with cooking sheet. Then put a lid on and simmer until the liquid is almost gone. Sometimes move them. Well, 12 minutes have passed. Okay. Now turn off the heat and cool them. When they get cool, I'm gonna make sushi pockets. Squeeze aburaage lightly to remove moisture and fill vinegared rice in it. Then fold the edge. Like this. Okay. Next, I'm gonna make usuyaki tamago or thin omelette. Crack an egg in a cup. Then add sugar, sake, a pinch of salt in it, and mix well. Then heat a pan on medium heat and place vegetable oil in it and wipe it with paper towel. Then pour the egg mixture. Then turn down the heat to low. When the surface is cooked, flip it. And fry the other side. Okay, so turn off the heat and move it to a plate. Then cool it. When it gets cool, cut out shapes with a cookie cutter. I use this heart-shaped cutter and make scales. Like this. Okay, I'm gonna use it for other dishes. Next, cut ham into the same shape of the egg. Then slice cucumber and cut them in half. Like this. Now I'm gonna make eyes of carp streamers with cheese and nori seaweed. Cut cheese and nori seaweed using these cutters. These are used for my kids' character bento box. like this. Okay. Now I'm gonna make koinobori or carp streamers with these ingredients. Okay, that's it. They're very cute. It's time to eat. いただきます。It's so delicious. Children will be very happy with these sushi pockets. You should try it. Well, tomorrow I'll make another kind of children's day dish. So see you tomorrow.